Leave your ego at home and bring your energy with you. To be as close as possible, because if you're not close enough, it's not a good show.
Indie Filmmakers Movie Talks, a YouTube series featuring in-depth interviews with industry professionals, taking you behind the scenes of the film industry.
Hey guys, you're watching Indie Filmmakers Movie Talks, and in this episode we bring you part 2 from our interview with Rolf Dekens.
President Webb. I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Ik ben de man om onze vloot te leiden. Opperbevelhebber.
It's the Hitman's Bodyguard for director Jules O'Loughlin from Australia. I did some second unit operating, and operating is the best job on the floor. You don't have any homework. You just show up. Somebody else tells you what to do, and your salary is almost as high as the main director of photography. So it's not fair, but you cannot take credit. So that's why I'm very clear about. This is just me penning and tilting a camera and somebody else tells me what to do. It's nice, but after a couple of weeks, I get under stress. I'm not too much involved in the decision-making process, which for me is, after a couple of weeks, is not so interesting anymore. So, because I want to be in the area where the decisions are made with the director, the producer, the first AD, because then it's interesting. Because now I'm just waiting for, okay, what are they gonna do instead of what are we gonna do? This second unit DP, Lorenzo Senatori, he does all these kind of movies. He just told me, you get a 50 on the flight head, on the boat, and chase that boat. You got it, sir. And there we go. So, and it's a lot of fun, and it's a mindset. So it's just do it, deal with it, complete it right away. Leave your ego at home and bring your energy with you. Sometimes, not on this show, but sometimes as an operator, you get an instruction which isn't correct. And then in silence, you adjust the shot. Don't brag about it, just do it silently and show the material. And that will make you a good operator. This shot, which you see right now, it's our main character and the camera tumbles around it like this. We were shooting this last summer in Romania, and the director, Rolf Dekens, showed me on Instagram, Indie Filmmakers, showing a different movie which used that shot. And the director said, I want to do the same shot on our show. So it's the circle is round, because now it's all back to Indie Filmmakers again. So that's cool. And the director just looked up, he read the script again and he picked a scene where it would fit the story. I think he chose wisely. Yes, well, the director has a big track record of action movies. His name is Rolf Dekens and he lives in Los Angeles. He's famous in Holland of his massive hit movie Admiral. And he's the action expert if it comes down to this in this space. The director also wanted me to operate there, and my goal is to be as close to the explosion as possible. You always want the stunt coordinator to say, Rolf, back out, just a little bit back. Then when he or she doesn't look, just jump in back again, because it's just dust, what could possibly go wrong? So it's really nice to be as close as possible, because if you're not close enough, it's not a good shot. Day for night is basically that you're in broad daylight, you're faking that it's completely night. So we were working with children and we were working on a 7-month shooting schedule, and it is impossible to work 7 months at night in a row. The biggest problem is that on your days off you also have to live at night, so you turn into a vampire. Which is it's nice for the story, but not so much if you're a human being with a heavy camera on your shoulder. So and it's about vampires, and vampires live at night. So we dove into this subject of shooting day for night, and because of its fantasy, vampires, there's no evidence that they really exist. So we have some wiggle room, we have some freedom to play with that creativity. If it would be a serious drama about something like Second World War, I wouldn't choose day for night as easily as with a fantasy TV series. But it depends on the schedule. So, and night shoots are more demanding for human beings. Yeah, just because we sleep at night.
Thanks for watching Indie Filmmakers Movie Talks with Rolf Dekens. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on TikTok and Instagram @IndieFilmmakers.